Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the DROCON drone, and on the right, the Tamiz drone with camera for adults 4K. Let's see which one will make you feel like a high-flying tech wizard, and which one will make you wish you stuck with paper airplanes. Alright, let's kick things off with the cameras. The DROCON drone sports a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers say it's fun and easy to use, though the image quality leaves something to be desired. On the other hand, the Tamiz drone flaunts a 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens. Reviewers rave about its camera capabilities, saying it brings Hollywood-level cinematography to your backyard BBQs. If you're looking to capture crystal-clear footage, Tamiz is your go-to. Next up, stability and ease of use. DROCON boasts headless mode, 1 key start, land, and 3 speeds for different skill levels. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features, making it suitable even for kids and beginners. Tamiz brings the big guns with optical flow positioning and brushless motors, making it quieter and more durable. Reviewers find it easy to fly and appreciate its advanced features, though some mention it can be affected by strong winds. If you want a drone that's easy to handle, DROCON might be your pick, but for advanced stability, Tamiz takes the cake. Let's talk about the bells and whistles. DROCON has gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, 360-degree flip, and app control. Reviewers love its versatility and find it packed with features, though some note it's lightweight and can be wind-sensitive. Tamiz, not to be outdone, offers one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, gravity control, speed adjustment, and 3D flips. Reviewers appreciate its variety of features and the carrying case, but some have had issues with the drone flying away unexpectedly. Both drones are foldable and come with a carrying case, adding to their portability. Battery life. DROCON gives you 2 batteries for up to 24 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the long battery life and the convenience of having an extra battery. Tamiz doesn't specify flight time, but reviewers mention it lasts about 20 minutes on a single battery, which is decent but not extraordinary. The brushless motors should help with efficiency, but if battery life is your main concern, DROCON might be the better choice. Now, the moment of truth: price. DROCON comes in at $109. Reviewers find it to be a good value for the features it offers, though some mention it's not very durable. Tamiz is a bit cheaper at $99. Reviewers appreciate the 4K camera and the array of features for the price, though some have had issues with durability and customer service. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with high-end features, Tamiz might be your pick. Last but not least, customer service and warranty. DROCON offers a 365-day warranty and promises to solve any issues within 12 hours. Reviewers appreciate the responsive customer service. Tamiz has dedicated customer service reps ready to help you with everything from takeoff to landing, though some reviewers have had issues with replacement parts and returns. Both companies are rolling out the red carpet for you, but DROCON seems to have a slight edge in customer satisfaction. Reviewers generally find the DROCON drone to be user-friendly, versatile, and offering good value for its price, though it can be wind-sensitive, and some have noted durability issues. The Tamiz drone is praised for its high-definition camera and advanced features, but has mixed reviews regarding its durability and customer service. So which drone should you buy? If you want a reliable, easy-to-use drone with all the basic features, go for DROCON. But if you're looking to impress your friends with 4K video and a drone that could probably fly itself to Mars, Tamiz is your pick. Either way, you're getting a fantastic flying gadget that will make your neighbors jealous. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!